Here's the interesting app called Level Social Fitness Network. It was just released. It doesn't have that many ratings yet, but it has quite good ratings. So you can just open it up and then you just create your account with email and password. And then you just create your username. Then you can just add friends from here. So just add friends like that. You can just follow them. You can see how much time in the gym this person spends. What's like the total volume of kilograms. Then you can just tap plus to plan a workout. You can just start workout. Tap plus, and then you just basically just add just different types of exercises. So then you can just add it, and then you can just add some more, add set. So here you can see add some repetitions, and then just add set, and then just whatever. So and then just end workout. So that's basically how you add it out. So yeah, something like that, which you can just add it out here, and that's the idea. You can also refer friends, so feel free to use this user code to just try out the app here. So that's what it is. And yeah, so there you have it.